particular portion of the subject video, did the respondent utter that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House of Representatives?
Are you done?
Objection?
Objection, Your Honor.
Wow.
Kindly state objection, counsel for response.
Simple na tanong. Di ba, hirap na nga tong si attorney bumuo ng katanungan para lang masatisfy yung kampo ng Vice Presidente, no? Para hindi masabi ni Narbasa na inililid yung tanong. Di ba? Hirap na hirap objection pa din. Atras tayo. Pakinggan natin yung reaction ni attorney Ligutan.
That she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker of the House of Representatives.
Are you done?
Objection?
Objection, Your Honor.
Wow.
Kindly state objection, counsel for response.
Your Honor, the question is misleading. There was no mention anywhere before that the video mentioned that the killing of the President.
To kill.
Yeah, there's no mention in any testimony earlier.
Ang minimension ni Narbasa, mga kababayan, wala naman sinabi yung testigo na ganyan Walang bakit mo tinatanong yan or whatever o misleading daw. Diyos ko ka naman. Para naman kami mga bata dito. O di ba? Maaari na talaga, dahil nga paumpisa pa lang, hindi pa nababanggit lahat.
There's no mention.
Tsaka alam ng lahat ng Pilipino yan, mga bossing. No, napanood lahat ng mamamayang Pilipino yung sinabi ng Vice Presidente. Ultimo nga ako, kung pwede lang ako maging testigo, titestigo ako. Dahil nakita ko, napanood ko ng live. Sabi, pag may nangyari sa akin, may inutusan ako, patayin si Martin Romualdez, si Marcos, at yung asawa niya. With dalawang no joke sa dulo.
That video.
Your Honor, again, with all respect, the records will bear me out. Bases have been more than complied with. This witness mentioned many times over that the subject of the investigation is the statement of the Vice President that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker. There's no basis for the objection, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, may I ask for a read back?
Pinapatagal na lang nito, mga kababayan, at nagtatry na magpasikat sa Vice Presidente at tinatry na mauto yung mga DDS, mga kababayan. Pero ang katotohanan, lahat naman po ay napanood yung video ng Vice Presidente.
He was the only party who said that, Your Honor. Not
Kindly
the.
use the third party in referring to opposing counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor.
May I ask, Your Honor, for a.
Let the counsel for defense finish his statement.
May I ask, Your Honor, for a reading of the transcript, as the witness, to my recollection, never mentioned that the Vice President did those things.
All right. If I may, Your Honor, please.
Counsel, kindly lay the basis.
Yes, Your Honor, please. Now, Mr. Witness, you said that your office, the NBI, conducted an investigation for a statement made by the Vice President noong Nobyembre 23, taong 2024.
Naalala niyo din yun, mga kababayan. Di ba? Oo, totoo yun. At pinatawag nga nila ang Vice Presidente para magkomento o para ipagtanggol o idepensa yung kanilang sarili o yung kanyang sarili. Pero ano po ang ginawa? Hindi po pumunta Sa halip, ang sagot po, no, ipapaalala ko lang, ang sagot po ng kampo ng Vice Presidente, yung unang pagpapatawag sa kanila, hindi po pwede. Kasi meron kaming hearing doon sa Congress. Ngayon, nung nandun pa po, no, si Congressman Castro, no, na pinagpipilitan na pinsan ni Atty. Claire Castro ng Vice Presidente. Nung nandun pa, sabi nila Castro, since nakita po namin, napanood po namin yung patawag ng NBI sa Vice Presidente, ika-cancel po namin itong sa amin para makadalo po sila sa pagpapatawag ng NBI. Hindi din pumunta. Parehas hindi pinunta. Pangalawang pagpapatawag ng NBI, ang sagot ng kampo ng Vice Presidente, mga bossing, hindi sila makakapunta kasi may paparty po daw sila sa mga press. O, di ba? Mas importante yung party. Oh, cancel natin ito. Ilipat natin next week. No? Kasi kailangan kaming dumalo sa NBI. O kaya mamaya, iusog na lang natin ng konti yung oras. Kasi kailangan namin dumating doon sa NBI, pinagpapaliwanag kami. Pero wala. Ganun pa din ho, mga bossing, di ba? Uy, sabi ni Lynn, nagagalit. Oh, kayo pinagtawanan. Pinagtatawanan niya kayo mga... naku, saan? Pinagtatawanan ng mga yung lawyer ninyo, oh. Yung isa si Season, ano sabi kanina? Oh, mukhang naggagawa ng senaryo dito si Attorney Season na nagwa-walk out tapos ngayon babalik ka. Adi. Mga DDS, tanggapin nyo na sa sarili ninyo. Wala na. Ano po? Tapos na. No? Kaunting-kaunti na lang ang DDS. No? Markuleta nyo nga, pasok na sa oblo. Oh, sino pa? Oh. Si Ngaspi. Si Ngaspi, nabawasan kayo ng isang bingot. Nando sa oblo na din. Oh, tanggapin nyo na, paubos na kayong mga DDS. Isa na lang ang bingot ninyo. Yung isa nasa oblo na. Yung isa, nako, malapit din yan, magulat kayo. Malulungkot kayo lalo. Oh, ubos na bingot natin dito sa DDS pagka naipasok din yung isang bingot. Oh.
Alam mo yun.
Objection, Your Honor.
Oh, Your Honor, please.
What is the basis of the objection?
Your Honor, it's leading.
Your Honor, please, if I may, Your Honor,
Do
please.
you remember? Leading, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor, please, I'm just giving into what the defense wants. The record will bear me out. This witness mentioned so many times over that he investigated the statement of the Vice President uttering that she already contracted a person. The whole nation is listening.
The chair will
Your
make
Honor,
a ruling.
so many words leading.
The chair will make a ruling. The objection is overruled. Earlier, chair noted, I have it in my notes, that the question was propounded by counsel with respect to the 11/23/24 incident that was the subject matter of a digital forensic examination by the witness pertaining to the former Vice President. That was the instance, if the counsel will recall, that counsel for the prosecutors asked the witness if he knew who the Vice President was. So the objection is overruled. Witness may answer.
Your Honor, may I state for the record, my objection is on the part of the question where he said that the Vice President hired someone to kill the President.
Mga DDS, proud kayo dito sa sa pinapakita ng lawyer ninyo. No? Tuwa kayo sa pinapakita ng lawyer ninyo. Sa umpisa pa lang, ramdam mo na eh. Ang umpisa pa lang ramdam mo na, wala nang ibabat-batin. Pag umabot pa ng matagalan itong impeachment na ito. No? Yung mga pag-construct na lang ho, mga kababayan, ng tanong, yun na lang ang ini-object nila para para umatrasado, para maatras, para malito na lang ho, mga bossing. Nakakahiya. Di ba? Ako, mga kababayan, kung ako ang lawyer, no, hindi ako lawyer. Kung ako ang lawyer ng Vice Presidente at ako kampante ako, napanood ko yung video, wala talagang ginawang pagpapatay. Ay sige, tanungin mo, only question ka dyan. sa ano na yan, sa witness na yan. Di ba? Ito kabado eh, kahit alam na, nakita na ng mamamayang Pilipino kung ano talaga yung mga pinagsasabi ng Vice Presidente, doon po sa video na yun. Oh,
The First Lady and the Speaker of the House, not on the identification of the Vice President.
Noted. Court already made a ruling. Witness will answer.
Mr. Witness, naalala mo ba yung tanong?
Can you repeat the question,
Okay
sir?
now.
Kindly repeat the question, counsel.
In what particular portion of the subject video in that online media conference
ay gising yung mga DDS, sabi ni Mateo Gabayno. Huwag niyong kikik o huwag niyong sisipain yung mga DDS, okay? Doon sa mga moderator, walang sisipa ng mga DDS. Hayaan niyong masupalpal at mapanood nila itong mga nakakahiyang pagdepensa nung lawyer nila. Okay? Please, walang sisipa, walang magtatanggal ng mga DDS dyan sa comment section. Hayaan yung mapanood nila.
the Vice President, did she utter
Oh.
that she already contracted a person to kill the President, the First Lady, the former Speaker?
Objection! Ako na ho nag-objection. Inunahan ko na ho kasi alam ko mag-object din ho yung kabilang panig, mga kababayan. Oh,
In what portion?
Objection, Your Honor.
di ba?
What
Sir,
is objection?
Sabi ko sa inyo, inunahan ko na mga bossing eh. Oh, di sakto. Objection. Mag-object yan eh. Oh, gusto nila yata, magsalita ka. Gusto nila ang sabihin mga bossing ay, magsalita ka. Ganun na lang, no? O sige, ikaw na magsalita. Dito na lang kami. Ayaw yata nung abogado ng DDS, mga bossing.
Your Honor, this honorable court already ruled on this question. The discussion later on was on the leading question made by the prosecutor. If you recall, Your Honor, this honorable court said, prosecutor, please lay the foundation, the basis for your question.
Kahit anong galing po, mga kababayan, ng lawyer, mahihirapan po dito at imposibleng mailusot po ito, mga bossing. Ano po, kahit anong galing ng lawyer, kahit anong pagpapaikot, mga boss chief amo sir, ng lawyer, hindi ito mailulusot, no? So ngayon, pagpasensyaan niyo na po, ako lang naman ito. Ano po, ang tingin ko, tinanggap itong trabaho na ito na idepensa ang Vice Presidente, eh baka dahil po sa pera. Siyempre, malaki ho. Alam niyo na yan, malaki ang bayad, di ho ba? Oh, manalo matalo, panalo pa din si lawyer, mga boss chief amo sir. Sa akin lang naman ho iyon, mga kababayan. At yun lang yung nakikita ko kung bakit tumatayo sila para idepensa ang Vice Presidente. Oh.
Your Honor, please, if I may, can respond.
The presiding officer will ask the witness. Mr. Witness, out of the 2 or more so hours of video that you downloaded, do you know if at all the timestamp that pertains to any statements made by the Vice President pertaining to any of the allegations in the articles of impeachment, particularly Article 4, the subject matter of this case, in relation to alleged threats made by...
Take note lang ha, maisingit ko lang ho mga boss chief amo sir ha. Tapos na daw po pala yung warm up ng may nag-post kasi na DDS. Tapos na daw po yung warm up mga kababayan noong rally ng INC. Meron daw pong susunod na the big one ulit. No, hindi ko alam kung dapat ba sabihin na natin the big 10, the big 9, the big 8 kasi nakailan na din ho mga kababayan, puro the big one. Pati si Chavit na malapit na din makulong nagsabi din yun ng the big one 'di ba? Ganyan sila. Naisingit ko lang kapag sunog yung kanilang mga parali-rally bigla pong nagiging parang warm up lang yun. Meron pang darating. Okay?
her in that video.
Yes, Your Honor, but may I refer to my investigator's note, Your Honor?
You may do so. Senator Cayetano is recognized.
Presiding officer,
Alan Cayetano. Sorry.
may I know from the records, is this the first time that the witness mentioned that the Vice President uttered threats against the President, the former Speaker, and the First Lady?
Your Honor, if I may, there was
Because if
no
it's the-
mention at all.
No, yes.
Sorry, apologies.
No, because if it's the first time, precisely the rule says that you cannot allow leading questions. Whether it's from the judges, whether it's from the...
Inimbestigahan nga nila, no? Siyempre, paulit-ulit nilang pinanood iyan. Di ba? Pag yung pagmukain na nililid pa yan, yan ang nagkukwento na mismo.
presiding officer or from the defense or the... So meaning, you lay the basis. Simply, you ask him, ano yung laman ng video? Pag binanggit na niya na may ganito sa laman ng video, then you can ask him na directly what part. So all of us want to expedite it, but let's follow the rules. So that's why I'm asking, has this witness this afternoon, I missed a portion because I have a headache and I had to eat before I drink medicine, but I was watching sa TV.
Sabi ni Rosewin, ayan na naman si Petra, nag-aabogado siya, no? Feeling relevant.
Ba't hindi ko pa narinig na sinabi niya to? Kasi kung hindi pa niya sinabi, Mr. Presiding Officer, can we just follow the rules and just lay the basis, ask him kung ano laman ng video, let him testify, tapos pag binanggit niya, then you can ask him, hindi na siya leading. But we shouldn't really ask leading questions because
Sige, ganun na lang. Ano laman ng video?
we'll violate the rules. So excuse me,
Para namang 4 na taong gulang yung kinakausap dyan at parang hindi naman nag-imbestiga. Yung NBI na yan. Oh. Lalo na yan. Oh, napag-usapan nyo na. Alam na kung ano itato. Diyos ko naman sila Cayetano at etong depensa ng Vice Presidente.
but I'll just be very particular when it comes to the rules, and it's not against any group. Mr.
Senator
President.
Judge Cayetano, it will take some time before we can quote-unquote appeal to the records. I'm trying to have them get it. But in lieu of that, that's why the chair tried to intervene. Can counsel kindly lay the basis for the witness to be able to identify the timestamp portions of the 2-hour video?
All right, Your Honor.
Counsel for the prosecutors may proceed.
This will be quick. Mr. Witness, you said that your office conducted an investigation on the statement made by the Vice President dated November 23, 2024, correct?
Objection, Your Honor.
Shut up! parang ang pinaliwanag na lang na, di ba yung opisina ninyo ay nag-imbestiga dated November, something like this. Objection pa din yun! Sandali. Talaga yata ang buong impeachment ay maririnig natin, objection lang ang sasabihin itong mga ito.
Leading.
Your Honor.
Your Honor, he's not on direct. He's
Overruled. Witness may answer.
Wala, overrule, witness. Ayan, Diyos ko naman. Ang tanong nung huli, mga bossing, inimbestigahan nyo, di ba, yung Vice President, yung video ng Vice Presidente noong November. Objection! Yan.
Yes.
Pinapasagot na ni Cheese, yung witness.
Sir.
Now, tanong, ano ba exactly yung sinabi ng Vice President nung araw na yan?
Ayan simple na lang, wala nang kahit ano, no? Wala nang meron ba sinabi ang Vice President pinapapatay ang pangulo, asawa ng pangulo at pinsan? Ano ang mismong sinabi ng Vice Presidente nung araw na yan? Tingin niya mag-object? Tingin niya mag-objection ulit, mga kababayan? Pakinggan natin kung mag-object.
November 23, 2024.
objection, Your Honor.
Wait, I'm not yet done.
Well, Your Honor, the pauses of the prosecution are very
Kindly
confusing.
let the counsel for the prosecutors finish his
Sandali. Diyos ko po, Lord. Ay, naku po, Lord. Ulitin natin. Sandali, atras natin. Atras natin. Biruin mo, sabi. Ano ang mismong sinabi ng Vice Presidente sa araw na yan. Ang linaw na sa mga Pilipino niyan. Walang kahit anong sinasabi na inililid. Ang tanong, ano ang mismong sinabi ng Vice Presidente sa araw na yan? Objection, Your Honor. Leading pa din. Oh.
24, correct?
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
Your Honor,
Your Honor, he's not on direct. He's,
Overruled. Witness may answer.
Yes, sir.
now, tanong,
Oh, yan na.
ano ba exactly yung sinabi ng Vice President nung araw na yan, November 23, 2024?
objection, Your Honor.
Well,
Vague.
I'm not yet done.
Well, Your Honor, the pauses of the prosecution are very
Kindly
confusing.
let the counsel for the prosecutors finish his question before
Precisely,
you
Your Honor.
object.
May I
Counsel
ask
for the prosecutor
also
may proceed.
may I ask, instead of this, Your Honor, may I ask that the Honorable Court direct the witness to allow me to object before answering? Because
No.
precisely the questioning of the prosecutor
Okay, what?
is there are many pauses, which it's confusing if he's done or not.
Counsel, witness even
Oy, masyado daw madaming putik. Attorney, kasi ganito, ipapaliwanag ko yan. Diyos ko po, nako, maapektuhan yung mga kliyente yung mga upcoming clients ninyo kapag ka ganito. Ang inirereklamo ni attorney, kaya daw siya nag-o-object, kasi daw, yung pagkakasabi daw po ni attorney Ligutan ay masyadong maraming hinto, mga boss. No, hindi mo daw alam kung tapos na o hindi pa tapos. Attorney, ipinapaintindi kasi ng maigi dahil kayo ng object, di ba? Ang sinasabi nyo, leading yung mga pagtatanong ni attorney Ligutan. Oh, dinahandahan niya para maintindihan mo na walang leading o paglilid doon sa witness sa mga itinatanong niya. Sabi daw po yung ang mismong sinabi ng Vice President. Madami daw po ginagago yung mga Pilipino na lang nito. Ay, Diyos ko po, Lord. Pasensya na, attorney, ha? Ang mga kababayan natin, matatalino na po iyang mga yan. Alam nila kung pan-distract na lang o pampatagal na lang yung ginagawa po ninyo. Ano? Kung gusto niyong pagmukhain na yung pa-smear na engot, mahina, yung prosecution, yung itsura niyang ganyan, kayo po ang pinagtatawanan diyan sa loob ng Senado. Pati po sa labas.
on occasion forgot what the question was because he did not respond to the question.
Sabi ni MC Arne, oo, BBM vlogger nito. Nako, oo. Nakasuporta ako kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Kayo, sasabihin ng mga DDS, hindi po ako DDS, pero ganito, ganyan. Kayo lang naman yung mahiyain eh. No? Ang yayabang ninyo, mga DDS ako, ganito. Pero kapag hindi ako DDS, ganito. Pero bakit ganyan? Mga style nyo, mga bulok, ha?
Question of the prosecutor.
Yes, Your Honor. So I just...
Court will make sure of that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So kindly finish your question if
Yes,
you want to
so-
state.
Nagagalit sa pahinto-hinto. At ewan ko, kung si attorney lang, ang nalilito, ang hina naman ng pag-intindi. Kung nalilito dahil pahinto-hinto lang. No? Confusing daw. Ako, naiintindihan ko, pati po yung action at yung reaction ng mukha ni Attorney Ligutan, naiintindihan ko po na tuloy-tuloy na tanong yun eh. At ipinapaintindi lang ng maigi eh. Di ba? O, baka yung diction, Attorney.
Again, counsel for the prosecutors.
Maybe it's the tone, no? I'll be quick.
Yeah,
What particular state?
Yung tono. Oh. Mga DDS, Diyos ko po. Mga DDS, hindi ko alam kung paano kayo nagiging proud dito sa mga ito.
Statements of the Vice President on that day, did you investigate?
Objection, Your Honor. Vague.
Ano pa? Vague naman daw ho, mga kababayan. Same question. Sabi niya, hinto-hinto yung isa. Ngayon, tinuloy-tuloy ng maayos. Ngayon, vague naman daw ho. Oh.
Your Honor, please.
Take,
Parinig niyo ho yung background, mga kababayan. Pinagtatawanan.
council for respondent, a bit of patience. Let the council
Yes.
finish. I don't think he's finished.
The question is done. What particular statement on that day did you investigate? How is that leading?
Objection, Your Honor. Vague.
Okay, Your
not
Honor.
leading.
Your Honor, please. Can I
I didn't
address
say
to that,
leading.
Your Honor, please? Can I?
What was
Whether-
council? What's the basis of the objection?
Vague.
All right. I will
It's a 2
indulge.
or
Your Honor, please.
36
I will
26
indulge,
minute
Your Honor,
video, Your
please.
Honor.
I will indulge.
Ito lang yung mga ano, ididepensa ninyo.